there would be a discussion on a small little program, 1 month program that we have. So we talk about that also briefly. So all of this would be there. Now, before we begin, एक छोटा सा मैं आप लोगों को I'm just setting the stage here. What are we going to talk about? So we are going to talk about something very interesting, which is the field of functional medicine. Now, just a small little reminder on what functional medicine is and what the hell are we talking about here. So, functional medicine, first of all, it's a Western thought process. It's not an Eastern thought process. For oversimplification purpose, एक क्रॉस है. सो आयुर्वेद और एलोपैथी इन दोनों की लगभग आप समझ सकते हैं कुछ बीच का फिनोमेना है. So we are talking, it's taking best of both the worlds. So Seema, if you can't hear us, then you need to tap on to call over internet. In case you are having difficulty, we are also live on Facebook. You can join on Facebook. So coming back to what I was saying, so functional medicine is nothing but looking at body holistically, the way Ayurveda does, not looking in silos, the way allopathy does, but looking at the entire thing from a scientific perspective. So there are three things which functional medicine looks into very carefully. It looks into how your enzymes functions, how your hormones functions, and how food is getting metabolized inside your gut, so that different nutrients are available at a cellular level, what the cells need. तो आपका खाना कैसे पच रहा है, आपका जीवन लाइफस्टाइल कैसे चल रहा है, उसकी बेसिस पे खाना और न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपके सेलुलर लेवल पे कैसे चल रहे हैं, एंजाइम्स कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, हार्मोन्स कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, और ये सारा बैलेंस एक अच्छा इम्यून सिस्टम कैसे डेवलप करा रहा है. सो इट टॉक्स अबाउट गट बैलेंस, इट टॉक्स अबाउट एंजाइम्स, इट टॉक्स अबाउट हार्मोन्स, इट टॉक्स अबाउट एन ओवरऑल बैलेंस इन द बॉडी, व्हाट वी कैन डू एंड हाउ वी कैन डू. Now, my name is Ayush. I would be the host of this session, and I am one of the co-founders of Yellow Squash. Yellow Squash के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं बताना चाहूँगा, just a couple of minutes. So Yellow Squash is an aggregation platform. So what we do is we aggregate different kinds of therapies which are not allopathy, for all the situation and medical conditions that we call chronic specifically. So all of the chronic issues, they are treatable in some therapy or the other. So Yellow Squash, the purpose of Yellow Squash is specifically four things. What we do is we try and identify and verify experts through 16-point check which we have. So we try and understand and get their background. We have multiple rounds of discussions and interviews with them. We have a check on the people they have worked with and how effective they have been. So basically हम verify करते हैं experts को. Second important thing, we try and come up with different kinds of group programs. Group programs क्यों? So that we can go online and we can cover a lot of people and send our services to a lot of people and make it economical for a lot of people as well, so that they can take advantage and benefit of many things which from which they have been, I mean, issues they have been suffering from for ages. तो वो सारी चीजों को देखते हुए हम ग्रुप प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं, so that it is accessible and economical to a lot of people. The third important thing that we do is that we structure the program in such a way that your experience throughout is super awesome. So we connect with you, whatever challenges you are having, whatever escalations you are having while you are in the program. So you can come to us and we can help you resolve all the challenges throughout. And the fourth important thing is what we are doing right now. So we make our best effort to keep you informed, very well informed, before you spend even a single penny. We do conduct webinars. We do call you over the phone if you need a call. And we inform and educate you whether you're doing whatever you're suffering from, what kind of a therapy or what kind of a solution would be the right solution for you, what happens in the program, what happens in wherever. So we give you a lot of information. So these four things that we manage primarily. And don't worry about the efficacy and the authenticity of the person or the program. We have done a lot of work behind this. So without further ado, I would like to give you a small little video so that you can experience what other people are experiencing in the program. And after that, we'll begin with Dr. Preeti, and we'll talk about many things wonderful. So please hold on. Please type in yes if I'm audible. I hope the video is audible. So the video is troubling me. So I need to, I think, play it from YouTube. So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll conduct I would want to ask you a small little question, all of you. So if you can basically help me understand what kind of conditions that you are suffering from, so that we can address the audience very well. So if you can please type in the basic conditions that you are suffering from, whether it is autoimmune condition or digestive disorders or whatever it is, please type in what conditions that you are suffering from. And we can help you understand whether we have a solution for it or not, and how it works, and we'll direct the entire discussion accordingly. All right. Ulcerative colitis, yes. RBC is high, we'll have to discuss. Diabetes, definitely. Digestive disorders, metabolism, arthritis, बिल्कुल सुनिएगा. Thyroid, weight gain, diabetes भी. हिंदी में भी बोलेंगे राधिका जी, चिंता ना करें. Weight gain, bloating, yes, we can help. We can definitely help. In almost all of these conditions, we can help to a very large extent. And please also to type in what exactly are you looking from this session. सेशन में क्या चीज आपको मिले तो आपके लिए सेशन ये एक सक्सेसफुल सेशन होगा. Yes, weight loss also. Weight loss, there are three kinds of weight loss which can happen in this program and which is very important. So your toxic overload would be eliminated. Your chronic inflammation related weight would be reduced or eliminated. आपको काफी सारे बेनिफिट्स इसमें से महसूस होंगे. Right.
एक्चुअली जब मैंने वेबिनार ज्वाइन किया, देन आई गिव अप कि मुझे मेरे शायद ये प्रोग्राम मेरे लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे लगा जिस तरह की बातें बाकी लोग यहाँ कर रहे थे, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, ऑटोइम्यून सिस्टम, एंड तो मुझे उन तरह की कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं था लाइफ में. देन आई गिव अप कि मैं ये प्रोग्राम नहीं करने वाली हूँ. आई हैव ओनली वन प्रॉब्लम इज ओवरवेट. Then I thought कि let's take a chance, do it. और इस प्रोग्राम के दौरान 3 महीने में एक्चुअली काफी कुछ सीखने को लिए मिला. बॉडी बहुत लीन दिख रही है, एनर्जी लेवल इज वेरी हाई. ठीक है, आई एम फीलिंग फ्रेश इन द मॉर्निंग. तो इस तरह से, क्योंकि इसमें हमने काफी कुछ पानी पीना, कितने लीटर पानी पीना और इस तरह की काफी चीजें सीखी. Even I lost around 3 kg weight also. तो थैंक यू टू डॉक्टर प्रीति, जिसने बहुत ही डिटेल में और बहुत ही पेशेंस के साथ हमें सब कुछ समझाया.
तो शुरुआत ऐसे हुई कि प्रीति जी ने हम लोगों को शुरू में डूज एंड डोंट बताए और कहा क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना है. फिर एक हम लोगों को गेम भी खिलवाया जिसमें उन्होंने फूड रैप लेवल गेम था कि सबको उसके लिए कुछ कुछ जवाब देना है. उससे हम लोगों को एक इंसाइट मिला, पता लगा कि अरे फूड लेवल हम लोग तो कभी पढ़ते ही नहीं, कभी देखते ही नहीं. इससे हमें ये समझ में आया कि हमें क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना. खेल से हमारी यात्रा शुरू हुई और हम लोगों ने जो प्रोग्राम डॉक्टर प्रीति ने हम लोगों को बताया कि ये खाना है, इस हफ्ते ये खाना है, इस हफ्ते ये नहीं खाना है, उस तरह से हम लोगों ने अपने प्रोग्राम को शुरू किया. कब 3 हफ्ते ऐसे प्रोग्राम में खत्म हो गए. शुरू में तो मुझे ये लगा कि शायद मैं ग्रेन, शुगर और ऑरेंजेस छोड़ना तो मुश्किल नहीं था, शुगर छोड़ना मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि मैं हरदम खाने के बाद गुड़ खाती थी. तो मुझे लगा शायद मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. पर गुड़ तो छोड़ दीजिए, मैंने मैक्सिमम दही खाया और टू माय सरप्राइज मुझे बिल्कुल भी कफ नहीं बना, मुझे कोल्ड नहीं हुआ और आई कुड डाइजेस्ट दही वेरी इजीली, और मुझे दही से बहुत अच्छा लगा खा के. मेरा एनर्जी लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया, मैं काम बहुत अच्छे से करने लग गई, और मेरा वेट इन 3 हफ्तों में, जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो 60.5 kg था, उससे 62.5 आ गया. वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज था. मुझे लगा कि मेरा वेट तो कम ही नहीं होगा, पर मेरी उम्र में मेरे कमिटमेंट और मेरे डेडिकेशन प्लस प्रीति जी का इंस्पिरेशन और की वजह से अगर मैं 3 हफ्ते में 3 किलो वजन कम कर पाई, तो मुझे लगता है हर कोई.
तो इसमें 2 एग्जांपल्स आपने देखे. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. अलग अलग तरह के लोग होते हैं, अलग अलग तरह के एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. So those 2 examples were for people losing weight and having some kind of allergies. So उनको दही से एलर्जी थी, काफी चीजों से एलर्जी थी, कोल्ड वगैरह का प्रॉब्लम रहता था, साइनसेस आते थे. तो all of this can be easily resolved if we can work on our gut. So I'll share a few more examples.
और मुझे तो gut scanning is very, मतलब it's so easy going.
मुझे इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया तब बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब मैं अलग ही अपने आप को फील कर रही थी. बिल्कुल बहुत हल्का, बहुत लाइट, कुछ भी ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ भी नहीं है शरीर में, बस एनर्जी था कि ऐसा कुछ भी था तो नहीं कि हमने नहीं खाया है, कभी भूखे रहे हो. हमने एंजॉय किया सब मील्स, सब कुछ खाया, इवन मतलब बनानास भी खाए हैं, मैंने तो खाए हैं. उसके बाद भी अगर 2.5 kg लेस हो रहा है तो ये
धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा था. और बहुत कोशिश कर रहे थे, कभी भी नहीं चाहते थे कि इतना बढ़ जाए कि 75-76 टच कर जाए. और कम होने का
इसी तरह से so there are a lot of people who are benefited in autoimmune conditions also. So all of this is there. So YouTube pe you can watch out a lot of these testimonials and all of that. The name of the website, name of the channel is Yellow Squash. You can easily check in at your convenience. So now coming back to what we are discussing. So let me introduce Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal. So Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal के बारे में हल्का सा मैं बताना चाहूँगा. So she is an MBBS doctor. So with a lot of years, couple of decades of experience and so on. And for the past 6-7 years, she has been working with thousands of patients who are suffering from autoimmune conditions, diabetes, allergy, weight management challenges, and many other issues. So, and she has had wonderful success. So this functional medicine India में अभी बहुत ज़्यादा popular है नहीं, धीरे-धीरे popularity अपनी gain कर रही है. And Dr. Preeti is one of the best doctors and one of the best proponents of functional medicine inside the country. So let's try and gain from her wisdom. Over to you, Dr. Preeti.
Thank you, Ayush, for taking this initiative of sharing information of this future medicine with everybody. I think lifestyle diseases needed a new approach, and this is the new approach which can help us with lifestyle diseases. So welcome everyone. So gut health, you will understand, it's as big as a basketball court, and it is the beginning and end of our life, I think that ways. So whatever I can cover in the next 40-45 minutes, I will be sharing that, and of course in the end I will be happy to take all your questions. So I will just share my screen. So how did I come into functional medicine? I was heading VLCC 5 years back, Pan India, and before that I was managing hospitals. And then suddenly my health went for a toss. I won't say suddenly, actually I think I was stretching myself for the last 10-15 years with migraine, with constipation, with weight gain, with diabetes, with hypothyroidism, with fibroids. But I think finally the day came when both my sons went to hostel and I read a book which taught me one thing. The best gift you can give to your children who are adolescents now is to take care of your health. Right? एंड आज मुझे वो और भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एंड पर्टिनेंट लग रहा है, बिकॉज टुडे मॉर्निंग आई हैड अ कंसल्टेशन एंड चैलेंज वहां ये था दैट यू नो पेरेंट्स हेल्थ इज नॉट वेल एंड किड्स आर आउटसाइड. पेरेंट्स बाहर जाना नहीं चाहते बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि बाहर हेल्थ केयर बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, लोगों के बच्चों के लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा विद देयर किड्स, विद देयर जॉब, विद देयर फैमिली, सब कुछ मैनेज करना. और यहां पर बिकॉज पेरेंट्स आर नॉट हेल्दी तो टेंशन भी है, एवरीडे मॉर्निंग इवनिंग जूम कॉल्स, स्ट्रेस, टॉक विद द डॉक्टर्स. और ये मैं बात कर रही हूं उन लोगों की हु हैव मनी, सो फाइनेंसेस इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बट फॉर लॉट ऑफ अस I think spending heavily on healthcare can also be a challenge. So when I read that book, I thought, yaar, I worked for so many years, क्या करना है, बच्चे सेट है अब, right? So the most important thing is I should work on my health. And as you know, we all know, जब हम किसी भी चीज के बारे में बहुत सोचने लगते हैं तो क्या होता है? Any guesses? इन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज. जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में बहुत शिद्दत से सोचने लगते हैं, व्हेन वी थिंक अबाउट समथिंग, व्हाट हैपेंस? व्हाट हैपेंस? यस, वो हो जाता है, यू मैनिफेस्टेड. सो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, कायनात आपके साथ होती है हेल्प करने के लिए कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड विद मी. आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग टू यूएस and meeting a friend of mine, and she told me that one of our doctor colleagues who was a radiologist, she had to quit her radiology practice because she went into almost anaphylactic shock with the allergy to the dye which they use in radiology, and now she is doing functional medicine. So I said, yaar, I want to meet her. Mil kaise sakte hain? She said, tomorrow there is a kitty party, let you also join us and you can meet her there. And she told me about functional medicine. So friends, this I'm talking about 5 years back. तब तो इंडिया में functional medicine I think नाम भी नहीं चल रहा था. And I joined my 3 years fellowship at A4M, which is associated with George Washington University, US. And the first thing I did was try it on myself. So I reversed my migraine, thyroid, lost weight, brought my sugar levels back to normal, worked on my constipation and fibroids, and that is when I saw the power which we need in lifestyle medicines. I also realized that allopathy, when it was developing, the major challenge was infections from outside. Yes or no? Anybody who can tell me in the chat box? But now in the last 25-30 years, what has happened? Lifestyle diseases have increased. Lifestyle diseases are diseases which actually happen because of the way we live. What we eat, how we sleep, what we think, how we breathe, all of that. तो इसके लिए solution कैसा चाहिए हमको? Solution work जो बाहर से work कर रहा था? No. We will have to have a different solution. And इस different solution में what is going to be most important? At least I realized that most important इस solution में क्या होने वाला है is that आप अपनी health की responsibility खुद लो. Because जब बाहर की infection थी, डॉक्टर की एक prescription मिलती थी आपको, आप वो खाते थे and ठीक हो जाता था. Yes or no? But now when you are responsible for that lifestyle disorder, किसको उसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा? You yourself. So I think functional medicine gave me huge power to define how I want to live my life, because health है तो wealth है, health है तो सब कुछ है. And COVID के बाद तो I think even people who did not agree with this now will agree with me, right? And that is what I am now trying to do. चैलेंज क्या होता है? हम अपनी फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट पढ़ना सीखते हैं, हम अपने बैंक की स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़ना सीखते हैं, पर हम अपने ब्लड टेस्ट की रिपोर्ट पढ़ना नहीं सीखते. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विद मी ऑन दिस? Yes or no? How many of you exactly know how to read your blood test reports? राइट हमें लगता है दिस इज बियॉन्ड आवर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, ये तो डॉक्टर ही देख के बताएगा. बिल्कुल सही बात है, आपको डॉक्टर की एडवाइस चाहिए, बट आप कुछ तो सीखोगे, आप कुछ तो समझोगे कि हाउ योर बॉडी इज वर्किंग. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू थ्रू दीज वेबिनार्स विद हेल्प ऑफ येलो स्क्वाश एंड आयुष एंड इवन ऑन माई ओन, दैट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड आवर बॉडी. So let's see what I have learned. I will share with you. It's worked well for me. It's worked wonders for me. I promise you, I look 7 to 8 years younger than what I used to look 5 years back. When my college colleagues meet me now, they say, Dr. Preeti, what have you done to yourself? Say nothing, just taken control of my own self. So if you all are ready to take control of yourself, give me a capital A in the chat box. If all of you are ready to take control of your own health, yourself, give me a A in the chat box. We are 190 people here today. Of course, you will need hand holding, you will need support, you will need help. But 80% कौन कर रहा होगा? आप खुद. And if somebody tells you that they can with the prescription heal you, please remember, either they have not educated themselves so much or they are not trying to guide you right. I am not against any doctors. I am myself an allopathic doctor, so I know that information is very important. What I learned in my MBBS days helps me deliver better care to all of you today. But what I also know is कि जब तक मैंने अपनी नॉलेज को अपडेट नहीं किया था, मैं किसी को ये नहीं बोलती थी कि वो खुद कुछ चेंज कर सकता है. बट आई हैव सीन इट, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, नॉट ओनली विद माई सेल्फ, विद थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेशेंट्स डूइंग वंडर्स विद देयर ओन हेल्थ विद लिटिल गाइडेंस फ्रॉम मी और समबडी एल्स. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इट दैट वी कैन डू. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी नो इट्स अ गट सेशन. सो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन गट? एनीबडी यू कैन टेल मी गट से क्या समझ में आता है? What do you understand by the word gut? Yes, whole digestive system from our mouth to the anus. This whole thing is gut, right? And you will come to know some really fascinating facts about gut. But before that, let's understand कि is it important that we eat good food or there is something more to it which will yield good health benefits? सिर्फ अगर हम हेल्दी फूड इन्वर्टेड कोट्स में जिसे सब कहते हैं ये हेल्दी है, ये खाना चाहिए, मेरे हिसाब से कुछ भी हेल्दी नहीं है जो यूनिवर्सली हेल्दी है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट आपकी बॉडी किससे खुश होती है. बट सिर्फ अच्छा खाने से बात नहीं बनती है. योर बॉडी शुड बी एबल टू डाइजेस्ट इट प्रॉपरली. योर इंटेस्टाइन शुड बी एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब इट प्रॉपरली एंड योर बॉडी शुड बी एबल टू एक्सक्रीट इट प्रॉपरली. जब तक ये पूरा साइकिल खत्म नहीं होता तब तक वी कांट से दैट योर गट इज इन गुड शेप. एंड यू नो what all is compromising this today? The most important thing which is happening is our digestion is not working properly. And why do I say that? Because when we guys live in stress, how many of you think you live in a stress? Or you know what stress is? You have experienced stress in your life. Only 2 people have experienced stress. 193 have never experienced stress. Right, everybody. I think the way we have started living, we have made our lives stressful. And what happens in stress is, you release less hydrochloric acid in your stomach. And when you do that, your body is not able to digest proteins properly. When that happens, your body is not able to make muscles properly, hormones properly. And what does that result into? It results into an ultimate chaos within your body, and you suffer from infections. Now, because of that, this small intestine, which is single layered, gets irritated, gets broken in between, and that leads to compromised absorption or less absorption. So you've eaten nuts, you've eaten good food, you've spent a lot of money buying that healthy organic stuff. But if your gut is leaky, if digestion is not proper, what will happen? Only in and out, no process in between. So absorption will not happen, you will not get the required nutrients you require. And finally, if all this doesn't happen right, excretion will not happen properly. Either you will be constipated, or you will have to pass motion every time you eat food or every time you have a stressful episode. So, if today you understand just this one slide and become aware of this, I promise you, your health will start improving gradually and slowly. So this is how this looks. The small intestine, it becomes leaky. When it becomes leaky, what happens? Stuff, bacteria and all start going outside in the bloodstream. And our immune system screams, Choraya, Choraya, somebody from outside has attacked us. Kill it. And our immune system becomes more active. And what that leads to? That leads to autoimmune conditions. And friends, it is so unfortunate. And I promise you, this is the biggest curse of modern times. And even young children are suffering from this. Cancer, almost everybody knows of cancer and somebody who suffered from cancer, right? Autoimmunity is 3 times more than cancer today, and it is increasing at a rapid pace. So, it is extremely important that we go back to this and make it right, because then we can avoid this curse, which is called as leaky gut syndrome. Right? Now, this is not all. This gut has trillions of microbiota, which is bacteria, fungus, parasites. Trillions. So we are 90% genetically gut microbiome and 10% human genes. So who are we? Are we a group of organisms or are we human beings? At least if we look at the genetics, what are we? We are more of microbiota than human beings, right? And what happens is this gut and brain is completely connected. 80% of your happy hormone and 50% of your dopamine, which gives you that rush, wow, I've achieved something, is made in your gut. So therefore, if you have anxiety, if you have depression, if you have mood swings, if you have sleep problems, where does the problem lie? The problem lies in your gut. You heal your gut, your moods will improve. And friends, don't think it only happens after 40. It happens to young children. Autistic children, ADHD children, children who are obese, all of them have gut issues. And what does it lead to? It leads to irregular bowel movements, ineffective nutrient delivery, microbial imbalance, weight gain. All of it is affected. So how does it happen? When you have leaky gut, initially what happens is you start having metabolic health issues, weight issues, irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, fatty liver. Now 40-50% of patients have non-alcoholic fatty liver, which was never the case 30 years back, right? And if you have a fatty liver, you are bound to become a diabetic sooner or later. So please reverse your fatty liver in time. Hyperacidity, constipation, metabolism, indigestion, esophagitis, and other symptoms. And if you don't heal them, you can land up with sinusitis, with asthma, eczema, food intolerances, atopic dermatitis, dyspnea, bronchitis, body pain and aches, headaches. So friends, these are all names and you might know some of them and you might not. But just focus on the cause. It is gut health or leaky gut. As I told you, when digestion is impaired, hormonal imbalances start happening. So you become diabetic, type 1 or type 2. Thyroid, insulin imbalance, PCOS or PCOD. Amazing change if you heal their leaky gut. They turn like a new leaf or a budding flower. Adrenal fatigue, PMS, testosterone imbalance. And finally, if this is not enough, as I told you, autoimmune disorders. Irritable bowel syndrome, lupus, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, in which your antibodies against thyroid increase, Crohn's disease, celiac disease, rheumatoid arthritis, vitiligo, psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, urticaria, ankylosing spondylitis, multiple sclerosis, and much more. So there are almost, how many autoimmune disorders we have? Anybody who will want to make a guess? हम कितने ऑटोइम्यून डिसऑर्डर्स हैं जो लोग जानते हैं? So there are 80 autoimmune disorders which have been found till now, right? And they are increasing. And friends, the cause is gut health, right? If your gut is healthy, you will be healthy. And this is not the end. Cancer. Lot of cancers happen because of your bad gut health. So let's look at this. Now this was a paper which was first published in 2005, and since then lot more studies have been done in different, diseases, wherein they have connected gut health with diseases. In 2020 March, a paper was published on psoriasis and this concept, and almost on all gut health diseases we have papers. So let's see what it says. It says that this is how it works. First is the yellow graph which you see outside, which is exposome. Exposome is all the factors which expose you to these problems. Any infection, behavior and lifestyle like drinking too much, like smoking, drugs, lot of stress, it impacts our gut like I told you. Air and water pollution. So a lot of you would think we eat healthy, we live healthy, we have a very regular lifestyle. Why are we going through this? Because the environment which we live in is really getting bad day by day. Radiation and diet. So when I say diet, of course, some people do take junk food knowingly or unknowingly. But in diet also, the big problem is use of pesticides. There's this glyphosate which we use so that our grains don't decay. We started using it around 60s, 70s, it got approved. And it was thought to be safer than all the other pesticides we were using. But around 80-85, studies started coming that this is even more harmful than otherwise. So I was in US 2 years back in one of the conferences, and I met the founder of A4M. And I told her, I said, I've written a book on what doctors should know about diabetes reversal. So you know what she said? She said India is becoming the leader in diabetes patients. And you know what is the reason, Dr. Preeti? I said, what? She said glyphosate use. please carry something about glyphosate use in that paper. Friends, we have moved away from our natural grains like millets, and we've started using glyphosate laden grains. And what happens is, from the time you eat it and to the time it gets excreted, it has already burnt your esophagus and your gut significantly. And imagine, we give access to such foods almost 2 to 3 times a day to our gut. So I'm not saying that we are doing it intentionally, but some things are happening where we don't have control, and therefore we have to, become more informed, and we have to take action so that we stay away from all this. What all this leads to is internal chemical environment. So inflammation हो जाती है, pre-existing diseases अगर कोई हैं, कुछ genetics है, कुछ और पहले से है, they add to it. Lipid peroxidation, xenobiotics, oxidative stress is created, and that leads to imbalance in the gut microflora. From the exposome, let's come to microbiome. So we know we have lakhs of bacteria and fungi in our body, but what happens is, when these increase in our body, like candida increases, lot of us suffer from repeated UTI and stuff like that, because candida increases in our body and we are not able to handle it. Malacia, Staph aureus, Propionibacterium, all of these. And what happens is, for example, studies have shown that L. paracasei, Lactobacillus paracasei, if is given to psoriatic patients, their psoriasis improves. It was also found that in psoriatic arthritis, echinacea decreases. Bacteroids and firmicutes ratio changes in obese patients, in autoimmune patients. And you will, I know these are some terms which you might find difficult to understand, but you have to start becoming aware of all this. This results in infection, which is called infectome. And then comes the stage of autoinfectome, when your body keeps infecting its own self and leads to autoimmune disorders and other diseases of gut, which we are finding very, very difficult to handle, because we have to start from exposome and correct the whole thing. It is like, a baby is conceived, then born, and then it grows up. Similarly, we have to tackle gut health. Let's look at irritable bowel syndrome also. So see, irritable bowel syndrome, how does it start? It has 2 main factors. Your diet, where you are eating lot of trans fat, not healthy fats. You are eating fermentable carbohydrates, which your body is not able to digest well. And on the other hand, stress, your hypothalamic pituitary axis activation and sympathetic activation. Both of them together impact your gut. And what happens? You have altered intestinal physiology, which means abnormal motility hai, infections hai, intestinal permeability, which is leaky gut happens. Immune system gets altered and antimicrobial peptides get altered. So what happens? Low grade inflammation, autoimmunity, dysbiosis. And all this leads to then irritable bowel syndrome. So friends, I want to highlight here, irritable bowel syndrome is a syndrome. It is not a disease. And it has multiple symptoms. So you have to look at it as a syndrome and work on it to reverse all these factors so that these things come in balance automatically. So what do we have to do for this? Similarly for rheumatoid arthritis, surgery is not the solution. Fixing the gut is. You have to fix the gut, work on your immune system, work on nutrient deficiencies, and you will see marvelous, marvelous results. Even post-surgery, all these symptoms will come back in few years if you do not work on your gut. So let's see, how can we work on our gut? There is a 5-hour program which we follow to help you work on your gut. Friends, as it is intrinsic and it is very, very big, and our whole body works on this. You will agree with me, time लगता है. स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड अप्रोच नहीं हो सकती, हर कोई पर्सनलाइज्ड अप्रोच की तरफ ही जाना पड़ता है, राइट? द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज रिमूव. In remove, there are 4 things we have to remove: stress, foods that hinder your health, infections, parasites, yeast, and environmental toxins. What I have done is I have divided this remove in 2 parts. One part is a 1-month program which we offer. I usually share more details with you, where we help you remove stress and foods that hinder your health.
Dr. Preeti, your video and audio is kind of stuck. Okay.
The video went off. So we get the whole panel checked, friends. Am I audible? If I'm audible, can you give me a yes in the chat box? Can you hear me? Thanks, because this is very critical. You must know about it. So we do testing of most important viruses and bacteria so that which impact our gut, like cytomegalovirus virus, Epstein-Barr virus, H. pylori, because all what I've discussed, जब वो गड़बड़ाता है तो इन्फेक्शन की probability बढ़ती जाती है. And then we also help in detoxifying your body in that program. Once that is done, then we start replacing your medicines with supplements. Then we re-inoculate with good food items which actually help bringing your gut back in balance. And now that is not the end. After that we repair your gut lining. जब अंदर से irritant खत्म हो गया, हमने clean कर लिया, हमने उसको थोड़ा baseline पे ले आए, फिर हम repairing शुरू करते हैं, which takes about 6 months to a year. And meanwhile we keep rebalancing, but end में we rebalance it again with prebiotic, probiotic, symbiotic foods and some probiotic supplements. It is in itself a huge science, friends, which is developing, because we all know that gut health is becoming an epidemic and a pandemic, and it is leading to an epidemic and pandemic, or a big problem of mental health. So this is how our gut is treated. It can take anywhere from 6 months to 3 years, but it is worth the effort you are putting in. Right? So what happens if you want to stay happy and healthy? The first R of remove, you have to identify the dead rat. किस तरह के stress, किस तरह की sleep में problem, which foods are creating havoc in my body? And I call it identifying the dead rat. So find the root cause. And we do it with elimination diet and with eliminating thoughts, bad thoughts. We support the healthy gut microbiome. We put you on a dairy-free, gluten-free, peanut-free, sugar-free, oranges-free diet. And for some cases, we also make them avoid lectin foods, for example, dals and choles and rajmas. What happens is when we remove all this, automatically your vegetable content increases and therefore phytonutrients increase, which help us heal the gut a little. It helps in detoxification. This is the best detoxification program ever made and implemented. Reduces toxic burden. There is no calorie restriction. As you heard in the beginning, you can eat whatever you want to. You just have to follow the do's and don'ts of the program. Promote body awareness and identify food triggers and reduce inflammation. You track your symptoms while you are on the way and you measure your conditions. You balance your gut, you balance your conditions. So we diagnose and then we interpret what is your body trying to tell you. So what you have to become aware about is what your body is trying to tell you. Somehow we're doing so many things at one time that we don't understand what our body is trying to tell us. And therefore, you have to do one thing at a time. And that needs a little training. So what happens is we make you follow elimination diet and we help you eliminate stressful thoughts. You track your symptoms. Gut starts to heal. You start to feel better. You reintroduce diet one by one and interpret what your body is trying to tell you. And that's where the first half hour remove is taken care of, and then we move to the second hour. And Ayush, over to you now.
All right, ma'am. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So what we understood here is a couple of examples. हमने 2-3 examples के बारे में share किया है. All of these diseases that we are talking about, allergy conditions that we are talking about, digestive disorders we are talking about, everything has a different dynamic, everything has a different reason, and everyone has a unique body. तो हर किसी की situation, condition के हिसाब से solution भी unique ही होना चाहिए. So we have taken a couple of examples. That doesn't mean कि बाकी चीजों के बारे में coverage नहीं हो पाती है इस program में. So the way we have designed this program is going to be useful for a variety of different kinds of situation. It is yet generic, yet personalized. It is for people who are having no conditions whatsoever, and people with very serious disorders. And this is the first step. Those people with autoimmune conditions, for them, so that they understand their body and we understand what exactly is the right path for you towards cure. तो जिन लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा conditions नहीं हैं, कोई problem नहीं है, so anybody who is hale and healthy and without any major diseases, even that person should do this program for these 4 reasons. Basically for an overall health, but it helps you reduce weight. You have seen a couple of examples in the testimonials and so on. There is a very good 5-organ detox, your entire digestive system. You are able to reset your gut microbiota so that this becomes a preventive exercise for you, ताकि आगे इस तरह की कोई और conditions आपके साथ में ना हो. And also there is a wonderful mental detox also happening within the program. That's how the program is structured. Now, people who are having any allergies, they would be able to identify the root causes of their allergies, and they would be able to identify most of the allergens. I mean, all the allergens is difficult. ये टेस्ट से कभी नहीं पता चल सकता है. It doesn't really matter what kind of test you conduct, whether you get it conducted from India or whether you go to Germany, where a lot of people go to, और वहाँ पे सबसे अच्छे टेस्ट होते हैं allergies वगैरह के लिए. But even then, it is not perfect. I mean, those of you who are suffering from allergies, they would know this very well. But this program would help you identify the dead rat, would help you identify the actual exact root causes of the allergies getting triggered. तो वो भी आपको पता चलेगी, sensitivity कहाँ से है वो भी पता चलेगी, and you will be able to build your own cure. Now, people who are having different kinds of digestive disorders, bloating, burping, indigestion, gastric issues, constipation issues, many other these kind of situations. So all of these people would be able to, a lot of you, until unless there is a very serious dysbiosis, leaky gut syndrome related disorder, which has multiple connectivities and so on, many of you people would be able to completely cure your condition. Some of you who would still be having some underlying conditions remaining, तो उन cases में हमें पता चलेगा कि exactly how to treat you and how to completely cure you forever. उसके लिए we would be suggesting a step 2 for you, and that would be a much more comprehensive program, because I'm sure then in that case there would be some underlying conditions which need to be treated. And same with autoimmune conditions. Autoimmune conditions के लिए this is merely the first step. This first step helps us identify and create the path for you. And then you have to join, I mean, if you want to cure yourself, of course, and if you like what we said and so on, अगर वो सब चीजें आपको पसंद आई, अच्छी लगी, then you must join the second program that we would be suggesting later on. But ये program आपके लिए ये जानने के लिए बहुत important है कि exactly, is this line of treatment suiting you? This is an opportunity for you to try and understand whether this is the correct way for you to go and whether you are getting benefited from this entire approach. So rather than spending a hell of a lot of time and energy and money and whatnot, काफी सारे resources की बजाय एक बारी try करने का एक मौका मिलेगा. So this is a wonderful opportunity for autoimmune condition people to clearly understand how they can get treated and get a transformed version of yourself. So basically, this entire program is divided into 4 weeks. Week 1 is going to be elimination diet. So day 1, we will start on a couple of waters, coriander water, methi water, etc. उस पे start करेंगे. Diet में कोई change नहीं होगा. We'll allow you to settle down. In a day or 2 or 3, whenever you are ready, we start on the elimination diet, which Dr. Preeti spoke of. And day 2, 3, 4, and 5, everyone starts reporting about what they have consumed and how their body has reacted. Basis that everyone starts getting personalization in their own elimination diet. So सब किसी की diet customize और change होते जाती है. By the end of the week, everyone is on to their personalized elimination diet. Week 2 is about gut healing, which is when we start introducing anti-inflammatory foods. अभी हमने gut को परेशान करना बंद कर दिया है पहले week में. Now we start healing the gut. अब gut को heal करना शुरू करते हैं. This is when we start adding anti-inflammatory foods, some supplements if you require them, some pre or probiotics if you require them, and so on. तो ये gut healing का week चलता है. इसमें gut की मरम्मत करना या microbiome का rebalancing करना, वो हम शुरुआत करते हैं. Week 3 is about gut brain axis, which is in which you get basically 3 things. There are positive affirmations, there is group therapy, and there are breathing exercises from a mental health perspective. So as we discuss gut brain axis, आपका mental health better होगा तो gut की healing भी accelerate करेगी. So that is what we are trying to achieve in week 3. By the way, elimination diet आपकी continued है for the first 21 days, which is what the body requires. Body को 21 days की जरूरत पड़ती है, 21 दिनों की जरूरत पड़ती है for you to renew your gut cells. So that is the time we are taking to renew your gut microbiome. And the 4th week is about reintroduction of diet. So which is when whatever you have eliminated, we would one by one in a systematic manner for you, we would be reintroducing inside your gut and inside your system. All of this is properly getting tracked. All the symptoms are getting tracked. आप क्या खा रहे हो, कैसे body react कर रही है, and basis all of those observations, at the end of the program, Dr. Preeti would be having a wonderful bunch of information about you, and which is when she would get into a consultation with you. And that is why we have kept the consultation towards the end, so that we clearly know and understand about you and your body very well, your symptoms very well. So we'll take all the reports, we'll take your health history, we might ask you to conduct a few tests and so on. So all of that combined and your symptom tracking throughout the 1 month long program, उसके बाद में आपकी individual consultation होती है, and that is when we help you understand what are the root causes and how to cure it, and what you have gained and how to become a little more sensitive towards your own body. The cost of this program, most importantly, तो एक सेकंड, कॉस्ट से पहले मैं एक चीज जरूर करना चाहता था. छोटा सा पोल लॉन्च करूंगा. अभी तक जितना आप लोगों ने सुना उसकी बेसिस पे आई वुड वांट टू जज योर इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स द प्रोग्राम. एंड बाय द वे, इफ एनी ऑफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू वांट अस टू रीच आउट टू यू, प्लीज शेयर योर फोन नंबर्स विद अस so that we can connect with you. Please share any of the details that you want to, etc. वो आप अपने details हमारे साथ में share करिए, and we would love to reach out to you. You can also take down my number. My number is 9717 333 655. I'll be sharing my number. And my name is Ayush. I can be reached out at any point of time you feel convenient. आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं, मुझे phone call कर सकते हैं, and I would love to discuss with you what your condition is and help you out to the best of my ability. If required, I'll take consultation and advice with Dr. Preeti also. So sorry, मैं भेजने की बजाय individual को भेज दिया. So my name is Ayush. 9717 333 655. That's the number. Yeah. So I am not a medico, but I am aware of how the program works, and I have talked to thousands and thousands of people with different kinds of medical conditions. So I can relate to your pain a little bit, because I've seen that pain and discussed about that pain with a lot of people. So this is what the program is all about. A very few people have sort of polled. आप लोगों में जिसने अभी पोल का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं किया है, वो yes, I am from marketing, coordinating, and all of that. So yes, I'm looking at marketing side of things. Dr. Preeti is looking at operation side of things and delivery and so on, program coordination. So this is it. And now the important part, what is the cost of the program? The cost of the program is 10,000 rupees. But since you have made the effort to come into the webinar, etc., because of that, we are extending a wonderful discounted offer to you. All the webinar attendees, there is a 30% discount for you. So the program cost is going to be only 7,000 rupees for you. And if you are able to make the payment by noon tomorrow, which is like 1 day away from now, so then there is an additional 5% or overall 35% discount for you all. And the cost of the program is only 6,500 rupees. So the program would be beginning on Thursday. So all the sessions, सारे sessions के बारे में भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. So basically there are 4 sessions which are going to be conducted, and all those four sessions would be taken by Dr. Preeti. Dr. Preeti would be telling you about how the session is and what you need to do for the week and so on. And there would be support through WhatsApp group, which would be run by Dr. Preeti herself, and you would be able to ask your question and discuss and consult on a daily basis with Dr. Preeti herself within the group. तो आप अपने सवाल जवाब सारी चीजें on a daily basis पूछ सकते हो, और Dr. Preeti आपको daily basis पे interact भी करेंगी और guide भी करेंगी. So that access you have through WhatsApp. And every week you are having a session with Dr. Preeti also. So that is when for about 20-25 minutes she would describe the week, and then we would talk about your individual health. So that is how it is. So how you can make the payments, you can go to Google Pay or any kind of a UPI app, Paytm and Phone Pay and so on. 9717333655 is the number you need to pay out to. Bank करना है तो bank कर सकते हैं. This is the QR code and the details are there. If you want to make the payment through credit or debit card, so those details are also there. And if you go to the website, this is the kind of page you would get, and this is the button that you need to press to subscribe, and you would get all the payment options. So I'll hold on this onto this page for a little bit. A lot of you have not responded still to the poll, so please do. And we would love to take your questions. So kuch questions hain bhi, of course. Are they refund if it doesn't work? I don't know what you mean, ma'am. What works and what doesn't work depends on all of us. So yes, if you like the webinar, you can join. If you have a question, we'd love to answer. But I don't know what you mean by refund. Okay, you guys can unmute yourself and ask the question directly if you want. Yes, Neha, 6,500 is for 1 month. And we have told you what all it covers. It covers 4 sessions. And all the support and symptom tracking and individual consultation with Dr. Preeti, and helping you identify the root cause and creating a path towards cure. So all of that. So where your office and address? We are based out of Noida, Sector 3. You can check out the website. Website has all the details and everything. I don't know why this question is important, but please website check करिए, आपको सारी details मिलेगी. Website, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want to check. There is a lot of information about us in most of these places. So you can check us out basically.
आयुष जी,
Yes, ma'am.
ये 1-to-1 का सेशन कैसे रहेगा? फिर वो तो ग्रुप में रहेगा सारा.
नहीं सारा ग्रुप में नहीं है मैम. वही मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था कि 1:1 का जो आपका डिस्कशन रहता है वो व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू तो कंटिन्यूअस रहता है ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. यू आर इन टच विद द डॉक्टर डायरेक्टली रिस्पॉन्स टू यू. प्लस देयर आर 4 सेशंस. जब भी आप वीक का स्टार्ट करोगे तो डॉक्टर प्रीति के साथ ही डिस्कशन होगा, पूरे ग्रुप का होगा, लेकिन डॉक्टर प्रीति के साथ होगा. करीब 20-25 मिनट का इनिशियली वो बताती हैं दिन के बारे में, और उसके बाद में ओपन अप करके इंडिविजुअल डिस्कशंस होते ही हैं. तो सब
ये
किसी
इंडिविजुअल उसमें ये होता है ना कि सबकी अपनी अपनी जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो तो ग्रुप में सपोज 25 पीपल आर देयर, तो
राइट
इतना तो फिर थोड़े से टाइम में कैसे पॉसिबल होगा वो? जैसे
नहीं
आप
नहीं
कह रहे
नहीं,
हो कि टेस्ट वगैरह भी करवाते हैं, फिर सारा कुछ
वो सारा ग्रुप में चलता
ग्रुप
रहता है
करके।
मैम। ग्रुप में आप अपने बारे में चीजें डिस्क्राइब करते रहते हो और मैम आपको इंडिविजुअली एडवाइस भी देती रहती
Ma'am,
है।
no test need to be done for this program. You don't have to do any fresh test. You can show your older reports to Dr. Preeti in your consultation. That is towards in the 4th week.
ओके।
I think we are like health with a doctor, and then taking this online session. I find it very risky because there is 1:1 kind of, each doctor we go personally. If any complication happens, and it will be difficult for us to explain it all online, and that also from Delhi. So
Right.
I think it's a very risky program just to play with the health of so many people. If you're taking 25, 35 people online, here all dietitians we go personally, they check it up. Any complication happens, and online taking such a session and you also advising us to take across, I feel it is a big risk for the community because there's a big risk here because each one may have so many complications, and each doctor takes the test, and after 2 months they also tell us to how to take a retest and all, and having on an online basis, especially with health, I find very risky.
Ayush, will you want me to answer this?
Yes, please.
Uh, hello, can I know your name, please?
I'm Gunita Malhotra from Mumbai.
Hi, Gunita. So, Gunita, I appreciate you speaking out because it helps us tell what we are doing. So, see, what we are doing in this program is we are removing all toxic foods.
So I agree with you, ma'am. I
Right.
would love to meet you.
And at the same time, and at the same time, we don't want you not to have your doctor with you. If you have any problems, any challenges, health problems, and you are already, working on them, please, we strongly suggest that you must be in touch with your own doctor for those diseases. We have done 6 batches till now. In fact, I have done 8, 9 batches till now, and with Ayush, this is our 6th batch. And people have only benefited.
No, I agree, ma'am. Your program is very good. But as a community, as a society member, I find this very risky. I'm not talking on my behalf, I'm talking from everybody's behalf.
So, could you elaborate risky? What is it that is coming to your mind?
Ma'am, let's take a person of anything, and if you're an MBBS doctor, here we have dietitians who are MDs and all also, they also are not able to solve those people's health problems.
No, I am not only an MBBS, Gunita. I've done a 3-year fellowship in functional medicine.
I respect you, ma'am.
Please Google functional medicine 1 and
my only concern about health as a large community on WhatsApp. It's not an online training program, but this is where we are dealing with individual health of an individual. I think a lot of thought has to be gone on, and you should have a lot of medical team behind you. That's why I was asking.
No, Gunita. I don't plan to treat everybody.
Is it natural based?
Yes, you just have nothing. We don't give any supplements, nothing. We just help you remove.
You did say that you'll have to take some supplements and all.
I did not.
And you don't want to see a medical report also. How will you take a decision of a person?
No. Gunita, for all these diseases, so Gunita, I will love to speak to you one-on-one later. But for all these diseases, we are only talking about a change in diet, expressing your stressful emotions, and changing your lifestyle a little.
I agree with you, ma'am, but I find this program very risky.
You will have to define risky, because risky, I'm not getting risky.
I am an educationist. For me to teach one concept to my child on online is and I physically feel that it's not like the description is not described. आप अपनी तरफ से पूरा अच्छे से describe करोगे, लेकिन हमको क्या समझ में आएगा और किसी third party को क्या समझ में आएगा?
Gunita, please do one-to-one. Right? Please do one-to-one. Not everybody can afford one-to-one. And group gives you energy. So when we are changing lifestyle, when we are trying to change what we eat, if we have more people in the group, we get motivation to do it. In my group, I have seen miracles happen, Gunita, because people who were not able to quit foods.
Yeah, I understand, but we never got any gist what is going to happen in the program. We only got how it is a miracle, how it happened, benefit, but how will I take a decision of joining your program?
No, Gunita, I think, there's some people who group people. We should touch base one-to-one later, and you should program actually. Right?
Okay, agreed, ma'am.
Ayush, can you explain the
Yeah,
program
thank you.
for everyone's benefit?
Yeah, I mean, for Gunita and others, so basically, I have explicitly spent about 5 minutes explaining exactly what the program is, week by week, and pretty much day by day. Week 1 is about elimination diet. First 2 days, waters. Then after that, elimination diet, which is exactly the same for everyone. Then you start reporting about your symptoms, which is when Dr. Preeti would keep customizing and personalizing for you. By the end of the week, everyone gets a personalized elimination diet. Week 2 is about gut healing, wherein we add anti-inflammatory foods primarily. Week 3 is about gut-brain axis, which is when we add group therapy, positive affirmations, and also breathing exercises for mental health, which further accelerates your gut rejuvenation and gut healing. And week 4 is about reintroduction diet, wherein we systematically reintroduce the foods that we have eliminated. And after that, it is followed by Dr. Preeti Nanda's consultation one-to-one. So,
And also, Ayush, if there are complicated cases, we do that consultation early in the program
yes.
and refer them to the right doctor where they should be going. Because we don't advise any supplements.
Ma'am, you were.
Yes, we only help you remove inflammatory foods. Only remove foods which are causing inflammation in your body.
Right. So let's take a few questions.
Yes.
So, suffering from celiac disease, Chitra.
Yeah, so celiac disease, again, Chitra. Is Chitra online?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, Chitra is online.
Yeah, so Chitra, can you tell me what you want to say? Because for celiac disease, you would have done elimination diet, and if not, that is the mandatory for you. Right, so this program will give you lots of tools, lot of other recipes, lot of options which you can eat and have a balanced program.
Yeah, I have eliminated wheat from my diet, and I'm taking jowar, bajra, ragi.
Have you also eliminated rai and hing and jaw?
No, not rai, not hing.
Yeah, so these
Only
all
wheat.
have so these all have gluten, Chitra, and that is the reason why I'm saying joining this program, you will get to know all these little minute things which will help you big time with your celiac disease.
Okay. Can I ask you one more thing?
Yes, please.
Somebody told me wine is good for this problem. Is it true?
No, I don't think that. Right, because a lot of wine.
There is a person who is, I think, more than near 50 plus person. He was suffering from the same disease, and he was advised to take wine 10 ml or 20 ml every day after food, and it helped him a lot. So he also told me to have wine little bit in afternoon or in evening after food. It will help you. Is it
No, so I'll tell you the logic behind this.
Yeah.
One is you don't have to take beer, and lot of whiskey and all also have a little gluten in it.
Okay.
So the only drink you can take is wine.
Okay.
ठीक है. अब Your gut and brain are connected.
Okay.
Yes. So if you are under stress, what happens is your adrenals start to work less.
Okay.
When you take wine, you start to relax,
Hmm.
right? And it helps your gut health. But the amount of wine you will have to take
Hmm.
will be huge. And I think the better way is you work on our stress levels
Hmm.
and heal your stress. So wine is not a cure for celiac, please.
Okay.
Yeah. And thank you for bringing this up.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank
So don't go that route, Chitra. But do understand what all you have to avoid,
Hmm.
because that will help you. Because even one, trigger will take you few weeks back
Okay. Yes. Yes.
in
That's true.
celiac disease, है ना? तो इसलिए you
Actually,
must know.
I am thalassemia manner also.
Okay.
And now I am diagnosed with this disease. It's been 6 months since May last year.
Don't
I was
worry.
diagnosed.
Do this program
I
and
increased weight. I lost weight before that 12 kgs without any medication, without any diet loss or anything. I lost 12 kgs and then I diagnosed with मतलब all tests were done और उसमें ये आया कि I am suffering from celiac disease, gluten free diet लेनी है. I was on that diet. Then I gained 3 to 4 kgs. But suddenly again I have lost within 3-4 days. I lost 3 kgs again because of some dietary problem.
right. No, so join this program because you will get to know exactly how you should order when you are going out, what all you should carry in your bag, what all you should be careful about.
Okay.
Okay, because celiac is like complete no to gluten. Anything which is contaminated with gluten also is to be no.
Okay.
Okay, good, Chitra. Yes.
So for how long we should avoid gluten for celiac?
For life.
For life.
Celiac
For
for
lifelong we
life.
should avoid gluten.
If you have a celiac disease.
And can we eat rice? Can we eat rice?
Yes, you can eat rice. There are a lot of options you can eat. You will never miss gluten actually or wheat. And during this program, you will realize that daily you can eat a new dish without thinking कि यार मैं gluten के बिना क्या खाऊं.
I mean रोटी के बिना तो डाइट ही नहीं होती है ना.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत सारी और रोटी बनती हैं जो हमने भूल गए हैं. हम पहले हम वही खाते थे.
वही खाते थे. You can have ज्वार रोटी, बाजरा
Ma'am,
रोटी,
Veena
and they are
has a
very
asthmatic
easily
issue.
Right. So asthma का एक बहुत बड़ा cause होता है ना, that is food allergies. So to rule out that cause, you should do this program. You will get to know कोई food allergy, कोई food sensitivity तो नहीं है.
एलर्जी सारी टेस्ट कराई थी, वो नहीं है, फूड एलर्जीज नहीं है.
वीना आपके
एलर्जी है, ह्यूमिडिटी से एलर्जी है, जो ह्यूमिड मौसम आता है.
नहीं वीना, बहुत सारी बार एलर्जी टेस्टिंग में एलर्जी नहीं आती है क्योंकि डिपेंड करता है कितनी लेवल की एनर्जी है. एक थ्रेशोल्ड चाहिए होता है ना हमें. इसीलिए दिस प्रोग्राम आई एटलीस्ट टेल एवरीबडी हु कम्स टू मी दैट यार ये तो करना ही है. आप 1-to-1 करो, आप ग्रुप में करो, बिकॉज ये आपको एग्जैक्टली बताता है कौन सा फूड आपको इरिटेट करता है. दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप. एक बार वो हो जाएगा फिर देन वी कैन वर्क ऑन योर इम्यून सिस्टम.
फूड का सारा कुछ करके देख लिया डॉक्टर्स ने भी.
वीना नहीं, आपने किसी के
सोल्यूशन नहीं निकल रहा.
वीना आपने किसी के साथ किया है प्रोग्राम क्या?
नहीं, प्रोग्राम किसी के साथ नहीं करा.
आप एक बार करो. नहीं, आप एक बार करो प्रोग्राम, बिकॉज जब तक हम स्ट्रक्चर से नहीं करते हैं ना बात नहीं बनती है. यस राधिका.
नमस्ते. मैं काफी देर से आपको सुन, कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर रही क्योंकि मैं किचन में काम कर रही हूँ. मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी. अभी जो लेडी आपसे बात कर रही थी, मैं उनके लिए ये कहना चाहूंगी कि जिस तरह से मैडम ने हमको बताया और इस तरह का एक प्रोग्राम मैं कर चुकी हूँ और नो डाउट 100%, 99.9% आपको फायदा पड़ेगा. तो मैं आपको कन्विंस नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ ये बता रही हूँ कि सच में कुछ चीजों का हमको रिपोर्ट में कुछ नहीं पता पड़ता है. जो दीदी बता रही हैं, आई थिंक डॉक्टर मैम प्रीति जी जो बता रही हैं, एक बार हमको करके देखना जरूर चाहिए. हम लोग लाखों रुपए खर्च करते हैं कपड़ों पे, ज्वेलरी पे, हर चीज पे. तो मुझे ये पर्सनली, मैं प्रीति जी आपको जानती नहीं हूँ, मैं जस्ट कहीं से आपका मुझे मैसेज मिला, मुझे लगा यार मेरे को ये सब चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं, मुझे अटेंड करना चाहिए. और मैं पूरी तरह से अपने बारे में सब कुछ जानती हूँ।
थैंक यू राधिका, थैंक यू।
फिर भी मेरे मन में एक उत्सुकता है कि क्या मैं कर लूं क्या ये प्रोग्राम। हालांकि मैं ओके हूँ, मैं इन चीजों से जुड़ी हुई हूँ, पर फिर भी मुझे लग रहा है नहीं, कुछ और सीखने को मिल जाएगा मुझे, शायद मुझे ये
बिल्कुल
करना।
राधिका। एंड सेकंड थिंग ना, जो ग्रुप की एनर्जी होती है ना, वो जो हमें सिखा जाती है, हम कभी पहले एंटिसिपेट नहीं कर पाते हैं।
मैम एक्चुअली आई एम अ योगा ट्रेनर, मैं बैचेस लेती हूँ ऑनलाइन। आई एम बिलोंग टू आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग। और मैं देखती हूँ कि सच में जो एक एनर्जी बैच में होती है, ग्रुप में होती है, वो सिंगल पर्सन 2 पर्सन में वो मजा बिल्कुल नहीं है, रियली। तो अभी जो आपसे बात कर रही थी लेडी, मैं उनको बोलूंगी स्पेशली कि जरूर इसको ज्वाइन करें, जरूर।
Thank you, Radhika. And we need more people like you to come up and speak, because I think कोविड के बाद हम सबको ये तो समझ लेना चाहिए कि यार कपड़ों पे जितना मर्जी खर्च करो, बट हेल्थ पे जरूर हम एक्सप्लोर करते रहना चाहिए. We've been gifted a beautiful body and we must keep exploring it. Thanks, Radhika. Thank you.
मैम आपका फर्स्ट सेशन 28 को आपका होगा या फर्स्ट से व्हाट्सएप पे होगा? फर्स्ट 28 को।
आयुष, आप आंसर करना चाहोगे? सेशंस हमारे जूम पर होते हैं, जैसे आप अभी जूम पर आए हैं वैसे होते हैं. सबके माइक्स ऑन रहते हैं, आप खुद बात कर सकते हो, आपकी जो भी इशू है, जो ऐसा आपको फील हो रहा है.
नहीं, मैं मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि 28 को मेरी कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी है, तो फर्स्ट डे आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ज्वाइन.
So we will share the recording with you. आप वो रिकॉर्डिंग सुन के आपको जो भी क्वेश्चंस हो आप मेरे से अकेले से पूछ सकेंगे.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Hello ma'am, I also have a question.
Yes, Aarti.
Yeah, hi. So actually I am suffering from GERD, acid reflux, for some time. Like it started in December 2019, and when I first had it, I went to an allopathic doctor, a very good doctor, a gastroenterologist, and he suggested me antacid for a month or so, which I took for a month or so, and then I stopped taking it. But when this lockdown happened and everything happened, and I'm a working mother,
Okay.
so my job is quite hectic.
डेटॉल साथ दो क्या?
So then, you know, I don't know, after 2 months or so, around April, it came back again. And what used to happen that after my dinner, exactly after 3 hours, I used to feel so bloated and, you know, flatulence, Atiti, and it used to continue for like 3-4 hours, and I used to walk through the night and go to bed around 3 and 4. So this continued for like 3 months or so. And then because I've already tried allopathic, I have already, you know, taken antacids, and I did not want to go back there. So then I went on a naturopathy diet. So I just attended a session online somewhere, and I went on a naturopathy diet on my own. There was no, you know, one-to-one consultation that time. So I lost, like, in the process, I was already, like, when I went on that diet, I was around 52 kgs, and then when I went on that diet, within like 3 months, I lost another 7-8 kgs. So the problem also reduced, but, you know, I don't know, but then I suddenly one day I had very severe diarrhea. I was and then once I came, I was admitted to a hospital, and when I came back from there, everybody was so scared that I went back to my old routine, and you know, but then that problem.
So Aarti, I've understood what you were trying to say.
Activated now. Again, like, for the past 3 months, I'm again on the antacids.
No.
And I don't know when I will.
So we have to stop your antacids, but Aarti, first we have to find the reason. और जैसे मैंने आपको स्लाइड में दिखाया, सबसे पहले हमें आपकी फूड एलर्जीज फिगर आउट करनी है.
नहीं, मतलब actually I have tried like so many things.
No. I'll tell you the way I handle gut health, and then you decide आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है, and do you think this will help you?
Okay.
ठीक है ना. 1 महीना पहले हम फूड एलर्जीज पता करते हैं, उसके बाद हम आपकी इन्फेक्शंस के पूरी टेस्ट कराते हैं. जैसे भी मैं बता रही हूँ, मेरे पास परसों एक लेडी आई इसी प्रोग्राम के बाद की, उसकी गर्ड नहीं ठीक हुई प्रोग्राम में, एंड वी गॉट हर टेस्टेड. उसको 3 वायरल इन्फेक्शंस जो ऑटो इम्यूनिटी कराती हैं वो है, और एच पायलराई भी पॉजिटिव आया है. मैं बता रही हूं, मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूं, बट आई थिंक इवन इफ आई लीव हर हियर और मैं उसको बोलूं आप कहीं भी जाके ट्रीट हो जाओ, मैंने उसको ये सिर्फ टेस्ट करा के, वो 5 साल से इधर उधर हॉस्पिटल्स में घूम रही है. Just getting these tests done, I have helped her so much that she can remember me for her life and keep me gratitude.
Bluetooth mode. Hello. Sorry.
Yeah.
I have already got like lot of tests. मैंने तो एंडोस्कोपी भी कराई
आरती,
थी.
एंडोस्कोपी नहीं, हम डिफरेंट टेस्ट कराते हैं.
नहीं,
ठीक है.
मैं बता रही हूँ, मैंने
हाँ,
अपना
आई नो, बट आपको इसका सोल्यूशन तो ढूंढना ही है ना आरती.
राइट.
राइट. एंड इसका सोल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए आपको थोड़ा टाइम, रिसोर्स, मनी सब लगाना पड़ेगा.
ओके.
ठीक है ना. बट एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड अप्रोच है एटलीस्ट जिससे मैं काम करती हूँ. एंड अगर आप में पेशेंस है और आप सीरियसली इसको सही करना चाह रहे हो, वी कैन डू इट. आपको थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा हमें. ठीक है.
And like, will it also like once my gut will improve, because I am also looking at gaining weight.
Of
Because
course,
right now,
when your gut will improve, you will gain weight, but gaining weight is difficult than losing weight. So again, आपको patience चाहिए होगी उसमें भी.
okay.
है ना. हाँ, बट अभी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये पता करना है कि आपको ये हो क्यों रहा है.
हाँ, एक्चुअली वो एंडोस्कोपी में उन्होंने बोला था कि यू हैव दिस GERD कंडीशन, आपका वो वॉल लूज है.
हाँ, पर क्यों. नहीं, वो ठीक है. आई गेट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग एंड आई नो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. आपको थोड़ी पेशेंस के साथ इसको करना पड़ेगा काम, बट आपको रीजन ढूंढना चाहिए आरती.
नहीं, हाँ, मतलब मैं
Anybody else, please? Yes, and you can speak more with Ayush, Aarti, and I think he will be able to explain you in one-to-one also.
Okay, all right. Sure.
Thank you, and I hope that you make a wise decision and find the reason and help yourself.
Ma'am, Gauri is having gallbladder stones.
Yes, doctor. I
Right. So this.
with it.
So see, this program. No, so this program will improve your digestion. It can improve your gallbladder stones, or it might not. But yes, when we do the last one-to-one consultation, I can give you more ways and a diet plan to actually only focus on your gallstones.
Thank you.
Okay? Yes. Anybody else? Any other questions?
Yes, several, ma'am. So I'll pick from the group chat. So Priyanka wants a little bit of a clarification on 4-month program है ये या 1 महीने का है. This covers only 1 hour and things like that.
प्रियंका, ये अभी 1 ही महीने का प्रोग्राम है फर्स्ट. उसके बाद जब कंसल्टेशन होती है हम दोनों डिस्कस करते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि 80% इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आप क्या करना चाहते हो अपनी हेल्थ के लिए, एंड तभी हम नेक्स्ट लेवल आपको एडवाइस करते हैं. 50-60% को चाहिए ही नहीं होती नेक्स्ट लेवल, बट जिनको चाहिए होती है तभी हम गाइड कर पाते हैं. अभी वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेल यू कि यू विल नीड द सेकंड स्टेप और नॉट.
Ajaz, his daughter is 11 years old, having liver condition, glycogen storage disease. He has gone through a lot of doctors and medication and whatnot, and liver transplant के लिए बोला जा रहा है as the only option. Does he have hope?
एक आयुष एक 1-to-1 कर लेते हैं, because not through this program.
Right.
है ना, but we can see 1-to-1 and see कि क्या problem लग रही है, and then maybe we'll be able to guide better.
All right, fair enough, ma'am. Ajaz, I'm any which way connected with, so I'll. Okay. Gallbladder stones, Aarti, Meghna.
There's a question on hiatus hernia.
Right. So see, hiatus hernia. When did it happen? आपके कितने symptoms हैं? पर डेफिनेटली आपको ये प्रोग्राम हेल्प करेगा.
Homer is having MS situation, so can he be helped?
He can definitely be helped, but he will have to do the step 1 and step 2 both. पर हम बहुत हेल्प कर सकते हैं उसकी.
Sujit Roy, stool, he is having difficulty in passing stools, which doesn't come even for a few days. Even if he takes Softolex 15 घंटे पहले भी लिया तो नहीं होता है. टेंशन रहता है, स्लीप नहीं आती है बिना मेडिसिन के, एंड सो ऑन. सो
देखो ये प्रोग्राम हेल्प करेगा, बट ही विल हैव टू डू लॉट मोर थिंग्स आल्सो, बट द वे टू स्टार्ट इज थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम.
Right.
क्योंकि जब तक हम इरिटेशन गट में कम नहीं करेंगे हम कुछ चीजें एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते अपने गट से.
Right. You guys can unmute yourself and ask your question directly. आप लोग अपने सवाल directly पूछ सकते हैं, please.
Hello, yes, can I ask a question?
Hello, hi, Nitesh.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, I have an irritation in my foot zone actually for the last few days, approximately for the last 10 days. And
What
I've checked my uric acid, it is 4.8.
ठीक है.
However, I'm diabetic. My H1B1AC is little bit high, it's high, 7.9. I got
And what are you doing for that?
I'm doing controlling lot of food. I'm taking nutrition health, but also taking medicine.
So what happens रितेश जी is कि जब हम डायबिटिक की मेडिसिन वगैरह लेते हैं उसका साइड इफेक्ट आता है हमारे विटामिन बीज डेफिशिएंट हो जाते हैं एंड उसकी वजह से आपको ये सिम्टम्स हो रहे हो सकते हैं. सो आपको दो चीज़ें करने की ज़रूरत है. एक तो आपका HbA1c एटलीस्ट 5.4 और 6 के बीच में लाने की ज़रूरत डेफिनेटली है. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड इज कि आप अपने बीज या तो चेक करा सकते हैं और फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो सप्लीमेंटेशन ले सकते हैं. थर्ड हो सकता है आपका
विटामिन B12 मेरा 176 है आई थिंक.
हाँ तो आपको 500 चाहिए है ना. तो आप अच्छा B12 विद अदर बीज लीजिए एंड आपके सिम्टम्स बेटर हो जाएंगे. बट आपका ना एक और भी हो सकता है रितेश जी, आपका गट भी खराब हो सकता है क्योंकि डायबिटिक्स में गट हेल्थ का इशू आता है एंड तभी भी आपका B12 एंड D कम होता है बिकॉज वॉट एवर फूड यू आर ईटिंग वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो रहा है सही से. राइट. सो दिस प्रोग्राम विल हेल्प यू इफ यू थिंक कि यार गट में इम्बैलेंस आपको भी फील होता है, कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता है, कभी डायरिया होता है, थोड़ा बहुत एसिडिटी होता है. इफ समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस देन दिस प्रोग्राम विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Sanjeev from Delhi.
Hi, Sanjeev.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I'm suffering from last 11 month. Acidic, स्टमक में कभी कभी अजीब सा आवाज आता है, गैस बन जाता है, स्लीप डिसऑर्डर हो गया है, गले में दर्द होता है, रिफ्लिक्स एसिड आता है. और मैंने मैक्स में दिखाया, एम्स में दिखाया, बट अभी तक कहीं से मुझे मतलब कोई पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस नहीं मिला है. मैम
आप ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करिए. दिस शुड बी एबल टू हेल्प यू. अदरवाइज हम बैठे हैं.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Humaira.
Yes, I'm Humaira from Qatar, and my case could definitely be a challenge for you as well. This because I'm a kidney failure patient on dialysis,
Okay.
and I do have very high hyperparathyroidism. My parathyroid hormone levels are very high, around 2000. Normally should be within 100. And I do have issues, gynec issues. And I have tried something like this, like you have been saying, because I've been studying a lot about alternate therapies. And I did try something of this kind where you reduce inflammation drastically. It was back in May when I was not on dialysis, where it was a diet basically completely eliminating all grains and everything. And I did that for about 20 days, but then at that point my sodium levels went very low, and then I went into different issues where my blood pressure was going down, and then I had to go into the emergency, and then I followed with the allopathy. I was fortunately moved into, and then I went there. So I want to know how you can do this, because I know this diet helps, and I know it can, but how much of support you provide?
So Humaira, for you I will not recommend a group program. That is one, right?
Yeah, it has to be one-on-one.
Yeah. It has to be one-on-one, and it cannot be only elimination diet. We have to look at your kidney. Second is that I will want to first see all your reports. So you can fix one consultation with me, which will last for about 30-40 minutes.
Okay.
We will have to see all your reports, and then only I'll be able to tell you whether I'll be able to help you, somebody else can help you, and what is it that you should be doing to improve your health.
Okay, because I
क्योंकि hyperparathyroidism है, kidney है, कुछ immunity का गड़बड़ तो है ही है.
definitely.
Right? So, but I think I need more details than you will be able to share here. So,
I will also send you my interstitial scan report, which I had done with a homeopathic doctor, which showed more of digestive disorders than the kidney. Kidney was not at all reflected in the entire risks, risk 1, 2, 3. The third
so
was
that
not
we can help you a lot with. And of course, in kidney also we can help you significantly, but let me see your reports.
For that was glomerulonephritis, so which is again an inflammation. Nephritis is again an inflammation.
Right. So share your reports, Amara, and then let's see what we can do about it.
Yeah, but have you treated somebody similar case of kidney failure?
I have some patients of kidney failure and some genetic kidney diseases also, but we'll really have to look at your reports before I can commit anything.
Yeah, so your patients reversed it. Did you have some success with it?
So the results are very variable, Hamera.
Yes, they depend also on individuals, but
yes. But yes, we have some very positive responses, and but again, till I see all your reports, very difficult to say anything.
Definitely, until I have a one-to-one consultation with you, I will not go forward.
Yes, and no group programs for you. Yeah, but yes, you have hope. Do connect once, and we can see then how we can take it forward.
Okay, so how do we proceed for that?
So Ayush can share my number with you, and then you can book a consultation, which will be a Zoom consultation, and then we can move forward.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Amara, and wish you good health.
Yeah, ma'am, will it help with the migraine condition? Because
definitely, Sangeeta. I only did this to get rid of my migraine.
Okay, because my body is acidic and I feel some bloating in my stomach.
No. So this will help. At least 50-60%, yes. Remaining we will do in the last consultation.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
When will we do the personal consultation, beginning or end?
End.
So how will we know like what is the progress and what is happening with us? I think we have to do for consultation first.
No. We will track your symptoms first. And then when we do the consultation, I need this data as well as your other history. If you do the consultation in the beginning, then this data doesn't come back to you in one-to-one, right? So we've kept it in the end.
If you understand like what is the problem and then we go with the program and then again have a consultation in the end.
You can do that. It totally adds to the price of the program and it doesn't add that much value to the program. We make you track your symptoms first. You fill a form.
Okay.
Right, and then with that we do this and then we do in the end. If you want to do early, you can request Ayush. He will do your consultation early and then your last consultation will become paid consultation.
So if you want 2 consultations, like one in the beginning to understand what is it and then go with the program and then again have a consultation in the end. So how does that work?
You will have to pay for one consultation.
Okay, and how much is the consultation charges?
That's 4,000 rupees.
Okay. So for one consultation, I have to pay either beginning or at the end?
Yes. One consultation you have to pay either beginning or the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. But trust me, I've done it for more than, I think, 300, 400 patients till now. This works best that you ask your questions in the group classes and you take a consultation in the end where we have all the data and we can take it up from there then.
So again, we have to again it will continue after this one program?
It depends what's your problem. As I said, 50-60% don't need anything and others do need it. So it depends on your condition.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Any other questions?
Veena, the consultation charges are 4,000 rupees.
So the end consultation will be free, right? It will be part of the program, no?
Yes. So you only pay 2,500 for the program, which is a full 1 month long program. Right? Yes. Any other questions, please? Because,
So will it help me if I would join the program and then?
No, Humaira. I think you need a personalized bit.
Okay. So the personalized is going to be, I mean, I'm not going to lose anything in the group program, right? If I take the personalized.
I really don't know that, Humaira, because for you, you know, there will be a lot of restriction on a lot of vegetables also. For you, there will be a restriction on water intake also.
Exactly, yes.
So I generally don't take patients like you in the group program.
Yes. Okay. I don't know that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I will proceed with the one-to-one.
Yes. Do just one-to-one, and then we will figure out a way of giving you the most economical but the best options available in terms of treatment.
Okay. So can we have it? Do you have a long list of waiting for that, or we can have it?
So Ayush can connect with you. No, we can fix you in this week somewhere in Friday. Ayush will help you with it.
Okay. Friday is good. Okay.
Somebody is speaking about GERD and IBS issues.
So are you हाँ
So a couple of
must do program है उनके लिए for GERD and IBS because this is the start, friends. पता है we have had patients in our groups, those who were not aware कि उनको ये एक दो छोटी छोटी चीजें भी हटानी थी, and the moment they removed them, their GERD and IBS issues were almost not there.
Pali Vivek is having cold and acidity issues.
So for acidity, you must do this, and let's see how it impacts your cold.
Right.
So acidity cold is telling me that there is some dysbiosis in your gut.
Joan Rodriguez is having urticaria and BP condition.
Do join this program. This should help you.
Ma'am, what about eczema in kids especially?
Yes. First thing you have to rule out is food allergies. Then the rest of the things come.
So for my son, I was looking into it. So would I need?
He must. Yes. He will benefit from this program.
Okay. So it is the same. I mean, so I'll have to pay for him separately to join the group program?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we reverse celiac completely? Hello.
You're stuck again.
आपको बस ये एलिमेंट है, सो आई डोंट नो एपिजेनेटिक्स का साइंस है, बट मैंने नहीं देखा है कि रिवर्स होता है. Right? So,
Miss
Ayush?
Yeah, we'll just conclude, ma'am. So Parjeet Kumari is having my gallbladder was removed. I'll let you read it, basically.
Okay. Okay. Right. Just a minute. So Seema says weight is on the higher side. Can this be reduced to normal weight? Definitely it can be removed, and this program really helps people with stuck weight. Fatty liver condition, this can help. Gallbladder was removed 15 years back and blood pipe was cut down and there was a total blood loss, infected, caught jaundice. From past these years in taking antacid medicine, and I have blisters in my mouth and I have acidity problem also. So Parjeet ji, this program will help you. How much आप करके ही पता लगा पाएंगे, पर हाँ आपको आगे जरूर ले जाएगा आपकी हेल्थ की जर्नी में ये. Right? It does help in curing migraines. विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी के लिए दो ही चीजें हैं सर. एक तो अपना आप गट को हेल्दी रखिए ताकि विटामिन डी एब्जॉर्ब हो पाए. दूसरा, जब तक आपकी लेवल्स कम है तब तक आप सप्लीमेंटेशन लेते रहिए बिकॉज विटामिन डी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Weight gain and bloating, ma'am.
This helps. This program really helps in people with weight gain and bloating. In fact, कितने सारे आयुष हमारे पास अब केस स्टडीज हो गए हैं जहां पे स्टक वेट था एंड पीपल हैव लॉस्ट 3 kgs, 4 kgs, 5 kgs also in 3 weeks.
Then
so do try this.
I suppose the last question is from Jaya. about IBS and a skin condition.
Yes, Jaya.
So that's all she has written basically, and she is live.
Okay, so Jaya, for skin and IBS, this is the way to go forward. आप इसको करो, पहले ये समझो आपको क्या अपना ईटिंग पैटर्न रखना है, आपका गट किस हालत में है, and then move on from there. You will find much better results in terms of your health conditions. Right?
Hi, ma'am. I joined little late.
Yes.
Yeah, I have hypothyroidism. So, will it be reversed with this program, or it's only gut cleans?
No. So this program will help hypothyroidism. Okay? Because thyroid and gluten are synergistic, so they look like each other, and therefore this program helps hypothyroidism. But it is not specially made for hypothyroidism.
Okay.
So you will have to.
Acidity problem. I do have acidity problem. So
then it will definitely help. You must join. It will definitely.
Very late. I mean, I joined around 10 minutes back, so I could not listen whatever was told. So what is the program? I mean, how many?
So Rajesh, Ayush will run you through this these details.
Okay. You're part of a WhatsApp group, Santosh.
Okay.
Are you part of a WhatsApp group?
Yes, I am part of WhatsApp group, and I got the link from there only.
Awesome. So we do share our recordings in that WhatsApp group. So
okay, sure. Okay.
For that recording, and I'm there. My number has been shared in the group chat, etc. You can reach out to me.
Okay. Thank you.
Perfect.
Right. So
So Ayush, can I take leave? Yes.
Yes. With this, we'll have to allow Dr. Preeti to leave. I think celiac disease was answered. Meghna, I'll answer the remaining part of whatever confusion questions you have. So any of you and all of you, whosoever has not shared their numbers yet, please do share your phone numbers so that we can reach out to you and answer your queries directly. If there is a consultation advisory required from Dr. Preeti, we'll help you with that. So any and all of that, please share your phone numbers with us. And so that's about it. Yeah, Humaira.
Thank you everybody for your time, and I wish all of you a very, very, very healthy 2021.
And a happy Republic Day.
Yes, and a happy Republic Day. Thank you, Ayush. You're always there to, fill in the gap if I miss anything. I really acknowledge your support. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So with this, we are concluding a session. Number you can, Seema, you can share your phone numbers here. Or you can share personally as well. You can click on to Yellow Squash, the name you would see in the chat, and you can share personally if you have a privacy concern. We appreciate that. No problem. So for anybody and everybody who is having any privacy concern, please share personally these numbers. Thank you. Anybody else, any other question about the program? So Santosh, are you there? If you're there, maybe I can, explain a little bit. All right, fair enough. So I'll just summarize the program for those who are there.
Don't you have any family programs? I mean, like if I would like to join my son and myself, so it would be too much for me if I would pay for him separately and me. Don't you have any discount for members of
Not through
family?
functional medicine. Functional medicine is pretty much, it's a medicated kind of an approach. When we go towards solutions and so on, we do have a lifestyle program which is for family. So that's separate. That's with a separate individual.
Yeah. So because if your group program includes one consultation, the consultation I believe is a one-on-one consultation, right?
Correct.
So if I can join my son and I take the one-to-one consultation and he just attends the program, will that work?
Yeah. That's what we are suggesting anyways, Humaira.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what we are suggesting.
Thank you.
Can diabetics join this program? Yes. Sun Patel, if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, yes, you can join this program and it will benefit you. We do have some other diabetic programs also. You may consider them as well. It would be great if you can share me your phone number so that, or you can take my number and you can call me and maybe we can, chat and I can advise you accordingly which program is better for you or more suited for you. Anybody else? Any other question? All right, so काफी देर हो गई है. I'm sure many of you are waiting for lunch to get served or do the needful for the lunch to get prepared. So answer is the case with us. So I would want to take your leave. If you want to reach out to me one last time, the number is the last message which is shared in the group chat. And please do join the WhatsApp group if any of you have not joined the WhatsApp group. If you want to enroll the program, all the details have been shared. You can choose your own time to and ask the questions, etc. The program is beginning on the 28th. So we do have a couple of days before the program begins. All right. Thank you. And good luck and goodbye. Namaste. Thank you.